I'm a huge Star Wars fan, and so when my neighbor was out in his yard flying the Millennium Falcon, I had to go out and purchase one too. The one thing I should have realized was that it wasn't much of a drone when my neighbor subsequently had to climb up on his roof to retrieve it. It's cool for nostalgia, but I really didn't enjoy flying it. It had a controller which has all the Star Wars sounds built in, and as you're flying, it gives you the motor sounds of the Millennium Falcon. I got into trouble more than once when I hit the hyperdrive switch. Hyperdrive would launch the drone forward at an uncontrollable speed. This drone is no longer on the market, but you can find newer versions of it. I probably won't ever buy a drone like this again. It was kind of a waste of money for me, and now it just sits on the shelf collecting dust.